Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing Princess Leia of Star Wars. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, let's start first with the hair. So we're gonna start on the left side of the paper. I'm gonna do a big circle here for the bun that she has on the side. And it's gonna look like this. And now I'm gonna work around this circle, and I'm gonna do another one all around it, and this is gonna be big because it's the head and it's the whole head. Okay, now I'm gonna do another circle in behind, and this is just half a circle and it's the other bun on her hair. The next thing I'm going to do is the detail here inside of this bun, and we're gonna do a spiral line that goes around and around, and it will connect to the bottom right now. There. Inside here we're gonna do two lines, one that go up and now one that go down, and that's the hair. And this one we're gonna just leave it like that. Okay, I'm continuing with the eyes. I'm doing two oval shapes, and I'm using the tip of the marker because this marker sometimes a little thick. And before we fill it with black, we're gonna do a little circle on the top, and now we're gonna color around it. The next thing is going to be the eyebrows, and I'm just doing two little curvy lines on top of the eyes. The nose is a backwards letter C. I'm going to put it in between the eyes, and the smile. You can change this if you want to. You want to do your face different, that's okay. Now let's continue with her dress. We're going to do half a circle here underneath her chin, and now I'm going to do two curved lines in the sides. I want to do two more inside, and they are not touching each other. Okay, now let's do a long line here that is gonna be the side of her dress, and it's a curved line on the left. Okay, and I'm gonna stop right there. Now let's do the same on the other side. It's not gonna be as curvy as this one. This one is a little bit more diagonal. There. Now let's connect these two by doing here a curve, and it goes until the middle. And now I'm gonna connect these two with another curve from left to right. There. The next step is going to do the belt that she's wearing in her waist, and it's just a curved line, and on the bottom is kind of more like a triangle shape. Inside I'm going to put a little circle. Good. Now let's do here a little lines to give more texture to the dress. Okay, two long lines, and here I'm going to do two short lines just to give a little bit more texture. I want to continue with the arm, the one on the left, and this one is on top of R2D2 head. So we're gonna do three fingers here, okay, three oval shapes. So let's start in one, and then two, and a little one, three. I'm gonna go and do the other arm, and then we go back to do R2D2. This arm is bended, so I'm gonna start with a curve, and then I'm gonna go with a diagonal line up. Okay, let's repeat this shape here underneath, kind of like the same thing. Now I'm gonna trace here this shape of a letter L, but the end of the letter L going up a little bit, just like this. I'm gonna join this line here, and now let's do the thumb. It's just a curved line and a little bit one underneath. Now let's do the front fingers. So we're gonna do three oval shapes. We're gonna leave a little bit of a space, and then do 1, 2, and 3. On the top I'm gonna do a rectangle shape, and to finish this we're gonna put a line and another line up here. Now let's continue with R2D2. We're gonna try to keep this simple. It's just a few steps. So let's do first the head. Now I'm gonna do the body, so just one line to go down, and let's do another curved line to join to the dress. Underneath we're gonna put a rectangle shape, and at the side we're gonna start with a rectangle shape for the arm, So that's the first one. Now we're going down and we're gonna finish here with half a circle shape kind of. Underneath we're gonna put a small square. Now let's do all the details inside. I'm gonna start here with the first square on his head, and it has a lens inside, so we're gonna put a circle. On the sides I'm just gonna put a couple details. So I did a couple rectangles and a couple of squares. I'm just trying to keep it simple. Here I'm gonna put a couple lines. And there, that's it. We finished our Princess Leia. I hope you like this lesson and enjoy drawing with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here you can see all the colors I used. You can see that I used a color white for doing the highlights on the eyes, a color red to doing her cheeks. I also used some gray on the dress to pop up a little bit, and I used a black marker to go around and go one more time so the colors pop a little bit more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check my playlist of Star Wars, where you can see more lessons step by step, like this one. See you next time!